Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. These are colors: white color, silver color, violet color, brown color, black color, yellow color, bottle green color, red color, orange color. Today we will trace A to Z and we will paint ABCD. So let's get started. A for arrow. B. B for books. C. C for cow. D. D for duck. E for egg. F. F for fan. G. G for glass. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for jelly. K. K for king. L. L for light. L for light. M. M for mouse. M for mouse. N. N for number. O. O for octopus. P. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. Q. Q. Q for quail. R. R for rose. S. S for snake. S for snake. T. T for top. T for top. U. U for urn. U for urn. V. V for victory. V for victory. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for Xerox. X for Xerox. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. Very good guys, you have to practice this A to Z every day and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.